Hi guys, thank you for clicking on my video. I have another tutorial for you guys inspired by Ariana Grande's Thank You Next music video. Stay tuned and let's get into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done just to save us some time for this tutorial, and I'm applying the Benefit Pore Professional on my face as my primer today. As the base for my eye look for this tutorial, I am using the MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre. I use this as a base because I feel like it makes the colors a lot more vibrant. And just because I'm a deeper tone, I'd like to pick up as much color as possible. So now I am starting the eyeshadow look, and I used one palette for this entire look. I used the Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte, and as my base I used the color Warmth, and I'm using the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just pressing that color on with windshield motions on my brow bone just to get it to be as vibrant as possible. So now I'm using a MAC eyeshadow brush to go into my crease with the color Fireside, and I'm using it to make it a little deep but not as heavy because Ariana's look was defined but not too much. So I'm using that as my crease color. And I'm going back in with the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow blending brush with Warmth just to get both of the colors to blend in seamlessly. So right now I tapped a little bit of candle on my lid and I spread it with the MAC brush because what I noticed was Ariana had a little shimmer on her lid. Candle was too bright, so then I went in with the color Fireside and I tapped that on my lid, and it went well with the colors, and it was more similar to the look compared to candle. So I tapped the color in the inner corner of my eye and I sprayed it with the MAC brush. I didn't feel like the color was intense enough, so I went back in with more of Flame. Sorry for my camera getting blurry. I didn't even notice it until I reviewed this video, but now I'm doing my eyeliner, and I'm using MAC's Blacktrac Gel Liner. It was a struggle for me to do this on camera, so I didn't do my complete eye on camera. So in the next clip, you'll see that I basically did both my eyes off camera. And now I'm applying Telescopic and Lorac Mascara on my lashes. If you wear fake lashes, this would be the perfect time to apply them. So I double up the mascara I use to give me more volume. And I'm using an eyelash curler just to make them look more beautiful. So I'm lining my eye with the NYX Gel Liner Pencil in black. And I'm applying foundation, and I'm using Maybelline Fitme in 360, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW46. I mix both of those foundations together to get my perfect color. So now I'm applying the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Amande under my eye. And I'm using this MAC blending brush to blend out my highlight. This brush is awesome. It makes blending so seamless. I don't even pick up the Beauty Blender anymore because I use this brush instead. And now I'm going back with a MAC Prolongwear concealer, and this color is NW40. And I'm using the same brush to blend that concealer out as well. I'm applying that same concealer, the MAC one, on my forehead, nose, and chin. And now I'm using Kiss Contour Cream palette to contour my face. But it's a palette by Ruby Kisses actually. And I'm using it to contour my nose, the hollows of my cheek, and my forehead. And I'm blending it out with that same brush I used to blend my concealer. Now I'm setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm using a Real Technique mini beauty blender. I like to press on my powder because I think it's a better effect for your highlight, and for deeper tones I feel like it doesn't make you look as ashy. Using that same brush that I blended my contour with to set my contour with the Ebony Bronzer by Covergirl. Guys, I tried to apply this blush that was duochromed as a highlight, and it just came off as a highlight on my skin. So I didn't get as much blush as Ariana had. I got more of a highlight. If you have blush, just use blush instead. And here I'm applying this Makeup Forever lipstick with a lip brush, and it was kind of a struggle. So what I ended up was using the lipstick itself to apply on my lips because the lip brush wasn't working as well as I had thought. And I topped it with a MAC lip gloss, a lip gloss or a lip glass. Every product that I've used in this tutorial will be linked down in the description. So I'm gonna set my face with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid and Matte. And here's the finished look, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked my video, please like, share, and comment down below what you liked the most. And share whatever you want with me on my social media. See you in the next video.